So here's another functions question, and we're asked to find the inverse, and then we're asked to put x through the f box twice. Well, let's just set up the normal situation. The normal situation, I've represented the function by this red box. This is fx, and the rule by which this box operates is that it multiplies the input by 5 and then adds 3 to it. So if I have x coming into the box, in the totally normal situation, I will get 5x plus 3 coming out of it. In part A, the box is effectively turned round, and we're now putting x into the box and asking what's going to come out. Well, as you've probably recognised in these functions questions, we haven't mentioned y for a very long time. But y now makes a return. And how we do these inverse questions is we set up the normal equation where the output of the box, which let's call y again, is equal to 5x plus 3. So if we're going to turn the box round, and our input is now our output and our output is now our input, we need to change x and y round. So this can either be done now or it can be done at a later stage, but let's do it now. So this is transformed into x is equal to 5y plus 3. Now we need to make y the subject because we need to find out what is going to come out of this box now that we've turned it round. Okay, so we need to rearrange this expression. Let me write it the other way around first, and we get 5y plus 3 is equal to x. Take away 3 from both sides, it turns up on this side being negative, so we get 5y is equal to x minus 3. Now we divide through by 5 and get y is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. So we can say f to the minus 1 of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. And that is the answer to the first part of the question. So let's have a look at part B. ffx means that we're going to put x into the f box once, and then we're going to put the result into the f box again. So let me represent that diagrammatically. So we've got another f box here, whose rule is also 5x plus 3. And let's work out what happens to x as it flows through the two boxes. Well, coming out of the first box, we're okay. This is going to be 5x plus 3. That's always an easy first step. Now, the second box, which is another f box, is expecting x on its input. But it's not getting x, it's getting 5x plus 3. So its output will be 5 times its input, which in this case is 5x plus 3 plus 3. So all we've got to do now is simplify this. So let's rewrite it down here. Multiplying the bracket out, we get 25x, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3. And that will simplify down to 25x plus 18. And that is your answer.